Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is urging people to get vaccinated before we get too deep into the holiday season.
Yeah, this morning she visited New Orleans, and Paul Murphy reports her warning comes as flu and COVID are now spreading around Louisiana.
Now is the time to get protected against potentially deadly fall viruses. That was the message CDC Director Dr. Mandy Cohen brought to New Orleans.
We're already seeing a lot of flu circulating here in Louisiana. We're starting to see more COVID. But the more folks who get vaccinated, we know that they'll be protected. We won't see as many people in the hospital or dying of these viruses.
Monday, Dr. Cohen toured the Crescent Care Family Clinic with Louisiana's top medical officer, Dr. Joe Cantor, and New Orleans Health Director, Dr. Jennifer Avegno. They echoed her call for people to get vaccinated against the flu, COVID, and RSV.
Right now in Louisiana, 10% of every ER visit is someone with a respiratory virus, and well over half of those are flu. So it's out there, it's going to continue to grow coming out of the Thanksgiving holiday.
We definitely are seeing cases of COVID and RSV. And flu is really starting to take off. And just looking at the data this morning, where it's taking off the fastest is in our young people, our kids under 18.
Dr. Cohen is also urging people to get tested if they feel sick.
Getting tested is super important. You got to know what you have so you can get treatment. We have treatment for flu. We have treatment for COVID. And those treatments could save your life.
Health officials say the best way to get your vaccines is to visit your primary care physician, a community clinic such as Crescent Care, or your neighborhood pharmacies.
I just scheduled a COVID and flu appointment for my daughter who's home from college, and there were wide open appointments at pharmacies, CVS and Walgreens in particular.
It typically takes about 2 weeks for vaccines to take full effect. That's why it's important to get them now so you're protected for the holidays. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
The CDC director reminds us you can still